Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tutor for You. So I'm here your tutor and I'm gonna teach today how to use sum command in Excel. So when we have to sum up long numbers or even small numbers and we don't want to use calculator, then how can we use Excel sheets to sum the numbers? So here we go. So we have chosen a set of data. For example, this you can have as many long column as you want. So we will put here equal to sum and you will get the option here sum. Put the bracket and choose the whole data whatever you want to select and then close the bracket, enter. So here this one is your sum of all the data. So, and if you double click on it, you can easily see that this is sum of the all numbers. Now this data was a smaller data, it was not the longer one. So what you can, if for example if you say that you have a whole bunch of data set and you want to do the sum, then how can you do it? For example, we have this data set. Let me make the data set, and I'm just creating a data set. So we have a whole bunch of data sets. So you cannot scroll it. If we keep scrolling it, it will take time. So what we have, how we can do the sum of this whole bunch of data. So what we will do, we will select the first number of the column, press Ctrl, Shift and down keys, and it will straightforward take us to the last number of the column. So here we are now, and so that means we don't need to scroll it from here. And then you put equal to sum. You get the sum here. Double click and you have to choose the number. So you choose it from, even you can choose from the down numbers, the last number, and again you have to press Shift, Control and up. So it will choose till up and then enter. So you get the sum here. So basically you save the time. You save the time by just using a simple function, that is Shift plus Control plus arrows of down or either up. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please subscribe it, like it, share it and watch it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.